Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to learn exercise 7 and 8 from the chapter division. In exercise 7 we are going to learn to divide a given 2-digit number with 1-digit quotient. The first question, 75 divided by 15. So first we need to arrange the numbers 75 divided by 15. So inside the division bar write down the dividend and outside the division bar write the divisor. So here divisor is a 2-digit number. Also we have a 2-digit dividend. So we are going to use 15th table to divide the number. Look at the 15th table children. Here we have 75. So look into the table whether you have 75 or below the number. 15 5s are 75. We have the exact number. In 5th time we are getting 75. So write 5 in the quotient, 75 below the number. So now we have to subtract 75 minus 75. If you subtract the same number, we will get 0. So here the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 0. Look at the dividend children. Here we are taking the digits together because we have a 2-digit divisor. So we have to take both the digits from the dividend. Now we will write down the answer. Quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. When you divide 75 by 15, you will get the quotient 5 and the remainder 0. Shall we move to the next question, children? Yes, look at the next question. 119 divided by 9. Arrange the numbers. 119 divided by 19. Okay. Now look at the divisor. It is a 2-digit number. So we have to take 2 digits in the dividend. Okay. Now we have taken 2 digits. Look at the number. It is 11. But 11 is smaller than the divisor 19. So we cannot divide this. So we have to take the next digit also. That means we have to take 119. And now look into the 19th table. Whether will you get 119? Let us check. 19 5s are 95. 19 6 are 114. 19 7s are 133. So 133 is bigger than the dividend. So we have to take the product 114. So in 6th time we are getting 114. So write 6 in the quotient, 114 below the number. Now we are going to subtract these numbers. 9 minus 4, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Again 1 minus 1, 0. Now the remainder is smaller than the divisor. So we cannot divide this. So this is the remainder. 5 is the remainder. 6 is the quotient. Let us write the answer. Quotient is 6. Remainder is 5. So if you divide 119 by 19, you will get the quotient 6 and the remainder is 5. Let us move to the next question. Yes, the next question is 100 divided by 13. First we will arrange the numbers. Draw the division bar. You should write 100. That means the dividend inside the division bar. Divisor should outside the division bar. 13 is the divisor here. So we have to use 13th table. As I told you, if the divisor is a 2-digit number, you have to take 2 digit in the dividend. Yes, now we have taken 2 digits. It is 10. Just compare with the divisor. 10 is smaller than 13. When the number is smaller than the divisor, we cannot divide. So we are going to take the next digit also. The next digit is 100. Yes, 100 is bigger than the divisor. That is bigger than 13. Now we can divide this number. Now look into the 13th table and check whether you have the 100 or the below number. Yes, 13 sevens are 91. We are getting 91 in 7th time. So write 7 in the quotient. 91 below the number. Now subtract the numbers. Yes, here 0 minus 1. We cannot subtract this. So we have to borrow from the next digit. Next digit also 0. So we have to borrow from hundreds place. So it becomes 0 and this becomes 10. If you borrow 1, it becomes 9 and the 10 ones place becomes 10. Now we can subtract 10 and 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1, 0. And here we have only 0. So take down the 0 down. Now we got the remainder. Remainder is smaller than a divisor. So we cannot divide. So this is the remainder and 7 is the quotient. Let us write down the answer. Quotient is 7 and the remainder is 9. So when you divide 100 by 13, you will get 7 is the quotient and 9 is the remainder. Now let us move to the next exercise. In this exercise, we are going to divide a given number by a 2-digit number with 2-digit quotient. So first question is 544 divided by 17. First we have to arrange the numbers. 544 inside the division bar and 17 divisor we should write outside the division bar. So 17 is the divisor, so that we have to use a 17th table. So take 2 digits from the dividend. It is 54. 54 is greater than the divisor, so we can continue the division. So now look into the table 17. Whether you have 54, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68. 68 is bigger than the dividend. So we are going to take 51. We are getting 51 in third time. So write 3 in the quotient, 51 below the number. Now subtract the numbers. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. Now 3 is smaller than the divisor. So we are going to take down the next digit. So now we have 34. Look into the table. 17 twos are 34. We are getting the exact number in second time. So write 2 in the quotient, 34 below the number. Now subtract 34 minus 34. If you subtract the same numbers, you will get 0. So here 32 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Is this clear, children? Yes. Let us write the answer. What is the quotient? 32. And what is the remainder? Yes, 0. Shall we move to the next question, children? Yes. The next question is 725 divided by 14. So arrange the numbers in the division bar. 725 divided by 14. So here the divisor is 14. So we are going to use 14th table. Now how many digits we should take from the dividend? Yes, we have to take 2 digits because the divisor is a 2-digit number. So now we have 72. It is greater than the divisor. So we can divide the number. Now look into the 14th table. Whether you have 72, 14 5s are 70, 14 6 are 84. No, we don't have 72. We have 84 in 6th time, but 84 is greater than 72. So we are going to take 70. In 5th time, we are getting 70. So write 5 in the quotient, 70 below the number. Now subtract these numbers. 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 7, it is 0. So now we have 2, it is the divisor. So we are going to take down the next digit. The next digit is 5. Now we have 25. So check in the 14th table whether you have 25. No. In second time we have only 28. 28 is greater than 25. So we are going to take the product 14. We are getting 14 in first time. So write 1 in the quotient, 14 below the number. Now subtract these numbers. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Yes, now we have 11. Listen children, here the number we have 11. It is a 2-digit number. Divisor also a 2-digit number. Why can't we divide this? Because the number 11 is smaller than the divisor. That is 11 is smaller than 14. So we cannot divide this. So 11 is the remainder. And 51 is the quotient. Is this clear, children? Yes. Now we will write down the answer. What is the quotient, children? Yes, 51. And the remainder is? Yes, 11. Is this clear, children? I hope the concept is clear. Thank you children. We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates.